Good morning mga kasipat. Now mga kasipat, I have something to introduce to you today mga kasipat. Now mga kasipat, I have here a banana cue mga kasipat. Banana, fried banana mga kasipat. It is very fresh from the oven mga kasipat. Yes mga kasipat. And it's still very hot mga kasipat. Very hot. Ouch, ouch. Wait. Mga kasipat. They say mga kasipat. Wait lang. If you will, wait lang. I'm having my plan. If you, wait lang. Wait lang. If you will, they said mga kasipat, if you will eat a banana mga kasipat, it is very high in potassium mga kasipat. That very essential in body mga kasipat to maintain the electrolyte balance in our body mga kasipat. Yes mga kasipat. And mga kasipat, they also said mga kasipat, if you will eat banana mga kasipat, it has a high serotonin hormone mga kasipat. That is what we call this a happy serotonin mga kasipat. A happy hormone mga kasipat. Yes, no? Very high. If you will eat this again mga kasipat, banana mga kasipat, you will have a very happy day mga kasipat. So if you eat this mga kasipat, you will always be smiling like this, oh. Smile mga kasipat. They say mga kasipat, they also high digestion mga kasipat. It will digestion in mga your stomach mga kasipat. Yes mga kasipat. And it is also good for your heart mga kasipat. That's a banana mga kasipat. That's why mga kasipat, you will always eat banana mga kasipat in order to have a body that is very physical and very strong mga kasipat. Yes, Dodong. Alright. So you eat banana. It also boosts your immune system. So the banana masipat is a very affordable, not expensive, and you can find it everywhere mga sipat. So eat banana mga sipat. My advice to you is always eat banana mga sipat, because if you have boyfriend and girlfriend, if you have 10 from 20 bananas a day, you have additional boyfriend and girlfriend because you're always happy. That's why mga sipat, eat banana. I love you all mga sipat. Please share. Love you.